Hello there, I'm Sencha with Vumber.com, and today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to pass the TCR campaign submission process and enable outbound texting on your account. Now, this process is a requirement set by TCR and the phone carriers, and it's here to make sure that businesses are following the rules to prevent spam texts and protect users. It's important to note that this is specifically for enabling outbound texting on your Vumber account. You can still receive text without completing this process, but if you want to send text messages, it's crucial to follow these steps. Step 1. Submit your company details. The first thing you need to do is submit your company details to get your brand verified. You'll need to enter your official company name as it appears under your EIN, or Employer Identification Number, and you'll also need to provide the EIN itself. This step ensures that your business is properly registered with TCR. Step 2. Submitting your campaign details. Once your brand is verified, the next step is submitting your campaign details. This involves telling TCR what type of messages you plan to send, such as marketing messages, customer support messages, or transactional alerts. But one of the key things TCR wants to verify is how you're collecting your customers' phone numbers. TCR requires you to have a privacy policy on your website that clearly explains that you will not sell or share your customers' personal information, including phone numbers. This is very important because it shows that you're complying with data privacy laws. Now, when it comes to collecting the phone numbers, here's where the opt-in process comes in. TCR wants to see a phone number collection form on your website that is separate from any other fields, such as name or email. This form should be dedicated just to collecting the customer's phone number. While it's okay to collect other customer information like their name, email, or address, the phone number must be collected separately. If you want to keep the other fields, you can create a separate tab or section on your website that focuses solely on collecting the phone number. Just make sure the phone number is not being collected with other personal information. Now, next to the phone number field, there must be an opt-in checkbox with clear language disclosures. It should include all of the following. Consent to text. This confirms the user's agreement to receive text from you. Message and data rates disclosure. Consent is not conditional. Let your customers know that agreeing to receive text is not a condition of purchasing anything. Message frequency disclosure. You'll need to inform them about how often they might receive messages from you. Opt-out instructions. This is very important. You must tell users how to unsubscribe. Help instructions. Explain how users can get support. Finally, if possible, you should include a link to your privacy policy near the phone number collection field. This adds another layer of transparency, showing users that you are serious about protecting their data. Once all of these requirements are met, you can resubmit your campaign through the Vumber dashboard, and we will review everything before it's sent to TCR. We'll make sure you followed all of the guidelines, and if anything needs adjusting, we'll help you get it right before sending. We understand that this can be a lot to navigate, but don't worry, we're here to help. If you have any questions or need more guidance, don't hesitate to reach out to us.